Hello, welcome back to my channel, Maison Dor Network, with me, Dior Shaari. I just bought this. Actually, I bought a lot of the bed sheet, also, and bolster case and pillowcase. Well, there's a bolster case and also pillowcase, and also this is bed sheet, queen size, that I bought from Kun Rio. Kun from Shopee, global choice. So yeah, so it's a good product and cheap also, and so I want to suggest to you. So before we go to the unboxing, let's go into some of the pictures and also details. Okay, so it's here. You see 3 ringgit 16 for the pillowcase. So Rio Plain Touch series. So this one is Kun from Kun. Global choice. Okay, the one I bought is this one. It's opal gray. Okay, and if you can see the videos like this. Okay, I bought the queen size bed sheet, so I'm gonna put on the bed sheet later on. Okay, so this one 316 shocking. There's shocking sales. Kun Rio Plain Touch. Okay, series bed linen. Okay, so if you can see it, there's more than 300,000 sold of this. Okay, description. Measurement. Oh, there's quilt cover also. Okay, all right, done. Oh, and the price. See here. There's a pillowcase. Pillowcase. Let's say opal. There's a different price. So let's say if you take this blush, pillow bolster case price, and then this bolster price, bedsheet single, and then bedsheet queen, about like that. If opal, so the price changes from time to time, but the one that I bought is this one, opal, and on that time I bought is 24 ringgit actually. All right, and it's still cheap. Okay, so let's go unboxing. So we have 3 types here, and let's say first I open up the queen size bed sheet. Okay, there's a QR code also. Okay. So this is the material. Okay, like this. Not that I would say it's a good material. Not really that that harsh or what. It's still comfortable, and then tak jarang, tak nipis, tak tebal also. Like very good. And then this one also. But if quite sometimes this one will expand actually. But if you not using it much, then it will be good. But this is the material. Okay, so it's like this. So put the hand behind, you cannot see it. So yeah, so I'm gonna put on the mattress, the queen single later on. So let's look at the how will it be. Okay, stay tuned. Okay, I just done put on the bed sheet on the queen size, my queen size bed. This is a 10-inch queen size. Okay, it looks good, looks nice, it looks fit, but my problem is the one that I have is usually the in the middle like this. Okay, you see the hole is nice, this one is fitted, but this one will be like terapung sikit, up sikit a bit. I can't really like put in inside, like there's a bit of problem, then it will be go up. Same goes to the on the side as well. You see, this one is good, but this one here cannot be tucked in. So probably if they come out with a solution with a good this one to be very more tighten, or I don't know, another good quality or what, it will be more better to have a better solution for this. Okay, so that's it. Review and also the unboxing from me for this Kun Rio Plain Touch series. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.